Imagine waking up to find that a single innovation has wiped out $1 trillion from the US supermarket. With tech giants like Nvidia experiencing record breaking losses, DeepSeek AI isn't just about tech. It's tied to major global shifts like the US China chip war and a race to dominate AI. So, what's the deal with DeepSeek AI? Who's behind it? How does it work? And why is it being called a chat GPT and Gemini killer? Let's break it down one by one. Hello everyone, welcome to WS Cube Tech channel. My name is Ayushi Jain, and in this video we'll be learning about what is DeepSeek AI and how it can be helpful for data enthusiasts in 2025. Now before we get started with the video, if you're looking for one single platform to get all the updates related to data, whether it is about job updates, quizzes, podcasts, masterclasses, and much more. In that case, WS Cube Tech has launched their WhatsApp channel. The link to this WhatsApp channel is in our bio. Join it now and you can benefit a lot from it. Now let's get started. First of all, let's understand the story behind it, that where did DeepSeek AI came from. DeepSeek AI was developed by a team of researchers and engineers who saw a gap in the AI market. While giants like OpenAI and Google were dominating, there was a need for more efficient, versatile, and ethical AI platforms. The project of DeepSeek AI was led by Dr. Liang Huang, a former AI researcher at Stanford and a veteran of the tech industry. Dr. Huang and his team wanted to create an AI that wasn't just powerful, but also accessible and sustainable. And guess what? They nailed it. But here's where it gets interesting. DeepSeek's rise isn't just about innovation, it's also tied to some major geopolitical drama. You have probably heard about the US banning the export of advanced chips to China, right? So, that ban has had a huge impact on the AI race. Let's first understand that why there was a ban. The US government restricted the sale of higher performance chips like Nvidia's A100 and H100 to China, fearing they would be used for military or surveillance purposes. This move was a massive blow to China's AI ambitions, as these chips are critical for training advanced AI models. So DeepSeek's team had to get creative. They optimized their algorithms to work with less powerful hardwares, making their AI more energy efficient and cost effective. This actually turned into a competitive advantage. DeepSeek now runs on fewer resources while delivering top-tier performance. Let's understand this in a bigger picture, that this chip ban has accelerated China's push for self-resilience in tech. Companies like DeepSeek are now leading the charge in developing homegrown AI solutions which could reshape the global AI landscape. Now let's understand how does DeepSeek AI works. For example, if I talk about its modular design, think of it like building with Lego blocks. Instead of one giant or clunky system, DeepSeek uses smaller specialized model that can be swapped in and out depending on the task. This makes it super flexible and efficient. It learns like humans. So just like ChatGPT, DeepSeek uses something called as reinforcement learning with human feedback. But here's the kicker. It's way better at understanding context and giving responses that actually make sense. Also, while ChatGPT is great with text, DeepSeek can handle everything. Whether it comes to text, images, audio, even video. It's like having an AI that can juggle multiple tasks at once without breaking a sweat. Talking about its real-time updates, unlike some other AI models that feel outdated the moment they are released, DeepSeek can learn and adapt in real time. That means it's up to date with the latest info. Lastly, if I talk about the efficiency of DeepSeek, then DeepSeek is designed to use less energy and computing power, which not only is good for the planet but also makes it affordable for businesses to use. And that's where the cost factor comes in over here. So this is something which will literally blow your mind, that DeepSeek is not just better, but it is also cheaper. So OpenAI reportedly spent over 100 million to train ChatGPT 4. That's a massive investment, right? And it also shows it in the pricing as well. For the businesses who are using ChatGPT, It can cost $0.3 to $0.6 per 1,000 tokens. That adds up really very fast, which is like about 750 words. Okay. If I talk about Google Gemini here, Google hasn't disclosed exact cost, but industry experts estimate that running Gemini is similarly expensive, with pricing likely to be same as ChatGPT. But now if I come to DeepSeek AI over here, DeepSeek on the other hand was developed on a fraction of the budget. Some reports suggest it costs $6 million to build. Thanks to its optimized algorithm, it's not only just cheaper but also charges users significantly less. For the early adopters, reports cost as low as 0.1 per 1,000 tokens, making it no-brainer for businesses looking to cut costs without sacrificing the performances. Now that we are talking about DeepSeek AI, let's also understand that why they are outshining ChatGPT and Gemini. Okay, how does DeepSeek stack up against Gemini? Let's understand this. DeepSeek is faster and smarter. DeepSeeks deliver quicker responses with fewer errors, and it's like upgrading from dial-up to fiber optic internet. Once you try it, there is no going back. And trust me, I have tried it several times. While ChatGPT is amazing at text and Gemini is great for businesses, DeepSeek can do it all, whether you need a help writing an email, analyzing a video, or even creating a music. DeepSeek has got you covered. And also it's comparatively more ethical, and also reports says that it's comparatively more ethical. DeepSeek is built with a strong focus on reducing bias and being transparent. That's a big deal, especially when AI ethics are under the microscope. Also, it's affordable. By using less computational power, DeepSeek is cheaper to run, making it accessible for smaller companies and startups as well. Also, unlike ChatGPT, which needs periodic updates, DeepSeek can adapt to new information in real time. That means it's always learning and improving. Now, let's see the effects of this on US market and Nvidia. So here's where it gets interesting, guys, that DeepSeek isn't just a cool price of tech, it's driving massive changes in the market. If we talk about Nvidia's AI boom, Nvidia, the company behind the chips powering AI, saw its data center revenue jump by 200% last year. A huge part of that, DeepSeek's AI, faster computing. For healthcare to finance, DeepSeek is helping companies automate tasks that used to take weeks in just minutes. It's no wonder the AI industry is projected to add 15 trillion to the global economy by 2030. Even the top CEOs in tech are taking notices. If I talk about Sundar Pichai, CEO of Google, he said that AI frameworks like DeepSeek are accelerating innovation at a pace we have never seen before. It's not just about technology, it's about solving humanity's big challenges. Sam Altman, CEO of OpenAI, says that DeepSeek AI represents the next leap in AI capabilities. It's not just incremental progress, it's transformative. While Jensen Huang, CEO at Nvidia, said that the future of AI is here, and DeepSeek is a testament to what's possible when you combine cutting-edge algorithms and unparalleled computing power. So this all basically tells us that DeepSeek AI is more than just a tool. It's a glimpse into the future. So now let's get into something that's super relevant for our audience here, that how DeepSeek AI can be a game changer for data enthusiasts and our students. So whether you are analyzing data, preparing for the interviews, or building automation scripts, DeepSeek has got you covered. Let's understand how. In data analysis, if you upload an Excel sheet, and DeepSeek can analyze your data, suggest trends, and even recommend the best charts to visualize your findings. It can clean and pre-process your data automatically, saving the hours of work for you. If you want to automate repetitive tasks as well, DeepSeek can write Python scripts for you, whether it is for data scrapping, file organization, or even sending automated mails as well. It can also debug your code, and also it can suggest optimizations. DeepSeek can help you create interactive dashboards from your data. You just need to upload your dataset and it will suggest the best tool for you, whether it's Power BI or Tableau, and even guide you through the processes as well. If I talk about interview preparation, it is also very helpful in interview preparation as well. So DeepSeek can basically act as a mock interviewer for data analytics tools. So it can ask you technical questions, evaluate your answers, and even provide feedbacks on how you can improve in giving your answers. It's completely free, making it an invaluable resource for students who are preparing for the job interviews. It's also really helpful in learning and skill development as well, guys. So I have tried it. It can basically recommend personalized learning path based on skill level and career goals as well. It can also generate practice datasets for you to work on, helping you sharpen your data analytics skills. So if you're someone who wants to make their career in data analytics and want to join WS Cube's premium data analytics mentorship program, then its upcoming cohort is going to start soon. In this cohort, we'll be covering more than 6 projects and more than 10 business case studies. So if you want to be a part of this cohort, then the link to this cohort is given in our description. Check it out now. So DeepSeek AI isn't just another step forward, it's a giant leap. From powering Nvidia's record-breaking growth to earning praise for tech titans, it's clear that DeepSeek AI is leading charge in the AI revolution. And with its speed, versatility and ethical focus, it's not just competing with ChatGPT and Gemini, it's raising the bar for what AI can do. But here's the real quick question, guys. In a world where AI is becoming more powerful by the day, how do we ensure it's used responsibly? That's a conversation we all need to be a part of, right? So what do you think? Is DeepSeek AI the future or just the beginning? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I would love to hear what do you think. And if you like this video, do like, share and subscribe. And for more such videos, stay tuned, guys. Thank you.